Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a Mulberry Antony to show you today, and it is in the colour khaki. Mulberry describes it as khaki, I would say it's more of kind of like a taupey colour. You can see it's got a bit of a like green tinge to it, which is really nice actually. So I would describe it maybe as a light khaki taupey colour, in this gorgeous soft pebbled leather. We've got one strap which is adjustable. You can see those buckles, and then we have a flap closure in that classic Mulberry postman's lock. So I'll open that up, and just underneath that flap closure we've got one flap pocket here, and then inside on that flap we've got a suede lining there, and then the main bag has that Mulberry true fabric lining, and we've got the little Mulberry tag with the serial code on the back just there. So bring that up to the camera so you can see that just there. The condition of this Antony, we've called the exterior very good. It's actually got kind of barely any marks for me to show you. I'll show you these corners because they're in a gorgeous condition. You can see they're just pristine, those corners, and for the most part actually that leather is pristine as well. You can just see from maybe where it's been stored, it's got a bit of creasing on the front there, and there is just a really tiny little mark on the front too. So just here, again it's so tiny you can barely see it on the camera, literally just there, a tiny little mark there. So that's why I've called the exterior very good. The interior, again, we've called very good, and that is mostly for this flap closure. That fabric lining in there is perfect. There's no signs of wear for me to show you there, but you can just see from where it's been sat, there's a couple of little areas of wear on the flap closure, so that's why we've called that very good. The hardware we've called very, very good. There's literally, on most of it, no scratching at all. It's kind of this brushed gold, brassy colour. It's just, and actually a lot of it still has the plastic sealing on it, so you can see that's still got that sealing on it there, and underneath as well, even though it's peeled off a little bit, that has got the seal on there too. The outside plaque, it hasn't got the seal on it still, and it's just got a really tiny little scratch just there from where that little turn lock has been sat on it. So that's why we've called the hardware very, very good, because it's literally only that, otherwise it would be perfect. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Mulberry care guide. So open that up so you can see inside, and then we've got Mulberry product tag as well, and then we have a lovely green Mulberry dust bag. So if you wanted exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. You'll find some more details when you go to that link. It will take you to this bag, this Antony, on our website, armcandybagco.com. So if you wanted a few more details, then go to that link. If it doesn't take you directly to this Mulberry, it just takes you to our generic product page. I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, and you guys love Mulberry. It sells really quickly, so if it has sold out, don't worry, we can get you on that request list. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you'd like one of these and we'll pop you on that list. So that's the request list. Exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10, and I'm 5'4", and the Antony is just like the perfect everyday messenger bag, so you can pop it across your body like that while you're on the go. It's just a very classic Mulberry, very practical, everyday. It's gorgeous, and again in this colour and this lovely soft leather as well. It's really beautiful. So if you wanted any more details, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, we'd love to see what you have for us. So have a look through there, have a read through that process, and we'll see you very soon with some more.